I'm Craig Phillips and I've been in the building and construction industry for about 32 years. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I don't look old enough. Anyway, throughout my time, I've come across hundreds of different types of grab adhesives and sealants. Now, it's not very often you come across a brand like 3C that has a vast variety of products to do most jobs inside and outside the house, whose company directors have over 50 years experience when it comes to sealants and adhesives. So I was asked to put to the test a handful of their flagship brands, and I certainly did, in and around my home. And boy, did they stack up. Now, if you're not familiar with these products, don't take my word for it, just try it yourself. And of course, if you want to know more about MaxBond HM Sealant, 2-in-1 wood repair, paintable premium acrylic, multi-use adhesive and sealant, or any of 3C's vast range of products, just check out the website in the link below.